Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zac.
Hello, Zac. Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Me too, Zoe. I really like recording these episodes with you.
I like it too, Zac. It feels like we are just sitting and talking like friends.
Yes, exactly. And today we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, today's topic is how to control your mind.
Wow, that sounds very deep.
Yes, it is deep, but we will talk in a simple way so everyone can understand.
Good idea, because our channel is for learning English and learning life too.
Yes, learning language and learning how to live better.
So, before we start, I want to say something to everyone listening.
Yes, please say.
If you like this podcast, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot, and we really want to help more people learn English.
And please share this episode with your friends too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, Zac, now let us start.
Zoe, when you hear the words control your mind, what do you think about?
I think about my thoughts, my worries, my fears, and also my bad habits.
Yes, me too. Sometimes my mind feels like a wild horse running everywhere.
That is a very good image, Zac.
Thank you. Sometimes my mind jumps from past to future, to worries, to plans, to problems.
Yes, that happens to me too, especially at night when I try to sleep.
Oh yes, nighttime is the worst.
My mind suddenly remembers everything I did wrong in my life.
Haha, yes, and everything you forgot to do.
Exactly.
So controlling the mind means learning how to calm it and guide it.
Yes, not forcing it, but guiding it gently.
Like holding the hand of a child, not pulling the child.
Beautiful example, Zac.
Thank you.
So maybe first we should explain why controlling the mind is important.
Yes, good idea.
When the mind is not controlled, it controls us.
Yes, and then we become slaves to our thoughts.
We feel angry, sad, afraid, worried, even when nothing bad is really happening.
Yes, sometimes we suffer only inside our head.
And the world outside is actually okay.
That is very true.
I remember one time I was very worried about a meeting at work.
What kind of meeting?
A meeting with my boss. I thought he would be angry with me.
And was he angry?
No, he was actually very nice.
Haha, so your mind made a big movie that was not real.
Yes, my mind created a drama.
I do that too. I am a very good movie director inside my head.
Haha, me too. And the movies are always scary.
Yes, never happy movies.
So, learning to control the mind helps us live more peacefully.
Yes, and more happily.
And also helps us focus better.
Yes, focus is very important.
Now, Zac, how do you personally try to control your mind?
I am not perfect, but I try a few things.
Tell us.
First, I try to notice my thoughts.
What do you mean, notice?
I watch my thoughts, like I watch clouds in the sky.
That is very nice.
I do not fight them, I just see them.
So you do not say, stop, stop.
No, because when I say stop, they become stronger.
That is very true.
So I say, okay, hello thought, I see you.
That is cute.
And then the thought feels less powerful.
Yes, because you are not afraid of it anymore.
Exactly.
I do something similar. I write my thoughts in a notebook.
Oh, that's good.
When I write them, they come out of my head and go onto the paper.
So your head becomes lighter.
Yes, much lighter.
Like cleaning a room.
Yes, cleaning the mind.
I love that.
Sometimes I write, I am worried about money. I am worried about health. I am worried about family.
And then what?
Then I see that many worries are the same every day,
Yes, they repeat.
and many never really happen.
Yes, most worries never come true.
So then I feel calmer.
That is very healthy.
Thank you.
Another thing I do is breathing.
Simple breathing.
Yes, slow, deep breathing.
How do you do it?
I breathe in slowly for 4 seconds.
Okay.
Then I hold for 2 seconds.
Okay.
Then I breathe out slowly for 6 seconds.
Nice.
After a few minutes, my mind becomes quiet.
Yes, breathing is like a remote control for the mind.
Haha, that is a good sentence.
Thank you.
Because when we breathe fast, the mind is fast.
And when we breathe slow, the mind becomes slow.
Exactly.
I also like walking.
Walking helps your mind?
Yes, especially walking in nature.
Trees, birds, sky?
Yes, when I see trees, I feel calm.
Me too. It reminds me that life is bigger than my problems.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Zac, do you ever feel that controlling the mind is hard?
Yes, sometimes it is very hard.
Especially when emotions are strong.
Yes, when I am angry or sad, it is difficult.
Me too.
I remember one time I had a big argument with a friend.
Oh, what happened?
We misunderstood each other.
That happens a lot.
Yes, and my mind kept replaying the fight again and again.
Oh, that is painful.
Yes, I could not sleep.
What did you do?
I finally told myself, okay, Zac, you cannot change the past now,
That is true.
but you can choose peace now.
That is very wise.
So I sent my friend a message saying, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's brave.
And he replied, sorry too.
That is wonderful.
And then my mind became calm.
So sometimes controlling the mind also means taking action.
Yes, not just sitting and thinking.
Sometimes we need to fix the real problem.
Exactly.
That is very important.
So controlling the mind is not about becoming empty.
Yes, it's about becoming clear.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I think we should tell listeners that it is normal to have a busy mind.
Yes, very normal.
You are not broken.
Your mind is just doing its job,
Yes, trying to protect you.
even when it does it badly.
Haha, yes.
So be kind to your mind.
Do not fight it.
Guide it.
Like a friend.
Yes,
Zoe, what is one small tip you want to give everyone?
I want to tell everyone to take 5 minutes every day just to sit quietly.
No phone, no music.
Yes, just you and your breath.
That sounds simple.
Simple but powerful.
Yes,
Start with 1 minute if 5 is too much.
that is a good idea.
And slowly your mind will learn to rest.
Like training a puppy.
Yes, exactly.
A very cute puppy.
That sometimes bites,
Haha, yes.
but we still love it.
Yes.
So controlling the mind is really about loving the mind.
Wow, that is a beautiful way to end.
Thank you.
So everyone, remember your mind is not your enemy.
Your mind is your partner.
Treat it kindly,
Guide it gently.
and life will feel lighter.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you for being with us today.
We hope this episode helped you a little.
And remember, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button.
And share this episode with your friends, too. We really want to help more people learn English and live better.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.